Hi, have you ever wondered what would happen to you if you lost your job or you lost a large sum of money and you have lots of debt? What would happen to you? Hi, my name is Sarah and I'm going to share with you about a business opportunity that I came across on social media. Uh, I was listening to gospel music and there was this ad that kept on popping up and I got interested to look at it. And it is from a couple that ran a successful online business and they were able to pay off their consumer debt, $80,000 consumer debt, go on vacation, support their family, and also support ministry. And I thought this is something that would be suitable for me. And I got interested and I clicked the button. I joined, I listened to a free workshop, a free webinar, and it's the same information that I'm giving you, the same webinar that I'm inviting you to attend. And I would ask you to click the button below. It's Learn More button. It will take you to my website, sarahkaraoke.net, and there you can put in your name and email address and you get a link to attend this webinar. If you're someone who is coachable, who is willing to grow, who is willing to maybe get another opportunity to supplement your income, I would welcome you to attend to this free webinar. We have coaches and mentors who will support you all the way. We have a system. You have everything on your fingertips. So click the Learn More button and you take you to the website and you can sign up and you get the information. Welcome. I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Thank you. God bless you.